on the atmosphere, alright? In the previous topic, we already learned how important the atmosphere for us, definitely, right? Same as the world where we live. And then now, we will go ahead and figure out the things that humans do that really have a great effect in the atmosphere, alright? So, let us first discuss about the activities of humans every day, alright? What are the daily activities of humans? Students, workers, and all the people around the world. Alright, what? Traveling, very good. Do we travel every day to work?
Yes.
Well, not you, but me. But you go to school, right? Okay. What else apart from traveling? Yes, Han?
Litter.
Sorry? Litter. Litter, alright. Whether intentionally or unintentionally, humans, we do litter, alright? Apart from those examples, can somebody please give some more examples? Our hands, please. Yes, Mr. Nat.
They cut the tree.
Alright. He is cutting down the tree. Alright. Is it necessary?
Yes.
Question. Is cutting the tree necessary?
No.
Could be 50-50. But most probably, well, cutting trees is important in order to supply the daily needs of humans. Alright? What else? Can you give a description for that photo? Anybody? Yes, Ken? Very good. Alright. Industrialization. Alright. From different industries, from different factories. In order for them, once again, to be able to supply for our needs, then they would have to manufacture different products. Right? Okay. We have one more here. And it's been discussed. This is also traveling, alright? And we have another one, another form of traveling, and also
Recycling.
littering. This is part of littering, alright? Now, for now, we will be discussing first of what people do every day, and part of that is littering. That is correct. Why? Should we survive without eating?
No.
Can you survive without 3 meals a day?
No.
Definitely not. So therefore, we eat. We must eat. Alright? And unintentionally, and because of eating, sometimes we forget to dispose our trash properly. Right? Okay. So now the question is, do we affect or do we damage or do we cause atmospheric pollution?
Yes.
What do you think? Who among you says that yes, humans cause atmospheric pollution? Right. Who among you think that no, teacher, humans do not cause atmospheric pollution? Alright. Well, like the activities that we discussed, yes, we have to admit the fact that humans, and intentionally or unintentionally, our activities cause atmospheric pollution. Alright? Whether it is essential or only for leisure or relaxation. Okay? Now, let us first discuss about the definition of terms. Now, these are the different terms that you will meet as we discuss about this topic. Can somebody please read the first one? Yes, ma'am.
Definition of terms: pollutants, harmful substances being released in the atmosphere.
Alright. Thank you, Len. You may take your seat. Okay. Harmful substances being released in the atmosphere. Being produced in the atmosphere. Get it? How about the next one? Anybody? Yes, Fred?
Source authorities break out the plastic products when you burn something trespass or harmful.
Very good. Alright. Now, how are these pollutants being produced in the air? It's because of factories. Very good. Industrial activities. Anything else? What about this photo? Combustion. Alright. Combustion from motor vehicles. And especially cars and motorbikes like what we use, and planes, exactly. But then probably it's more of cars and motorbikes that we produce. For example, in your question. Okay, now what are the examples of pollutants? What does it cause? It causes what? Yes, Han. Alright, it could cause lung diseases. At first, it will irritate your lungs and we don't know. It could be the cause of such severe diseases of the lungs. We already discussed this in the previous topics that we had. And the question is it abundant in the atmosphere? Yes. Is carbon dioxide really present in the atmosphere?
Yes.
Definitely, alright. But the problem is, it is in excessive amount. That means there is too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. That makes it a pollutant. Do we understand it? Alright. And finally, we do have nitrogen oxide. So, what are the three examples of pollutants? Yes, again? Hot.
So for the oxide, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen oxide.
Very good. Alright. Let's move on to the next one. Alright. Not only that, alright, not only those three gases, also the ash from forest fires. Alright. It could cause pollutants as well. And as well as smoke, we have dust and soot. Alright. So apart from those gases, we do have ash from forest fires. We have black smoke, very good, Lynn. We have dust and also soot that contribute to atmospheric pollution. Alright? Okay. Now, what can it cause now? Now that we know what are the things that contribute to having atmospheric pollution, now what it can cause. Alright? The first one is alright, what's that? What can you say about the photo?
Sore throat.
Sore throat. And somebody please help him. Any other idea? Yes, Queen.
Coughing.
Coughing. Alright. So pollutants can cause respiratory system irritation. Very good. Another one is eye irritation. Alright, eye irritation. The red eye. Very good. And we have increased headache. Alright. We feel stressed. Okay. Why is it like that? It's because of these pollutants. Alright. And disease. Alright. Increase in asthmatic processes. Very good. And well, basically class, part of asthmatic processes are the following: sneezing and coughing as well. Alright? So these are what those pollutants can cause or can cause to our health. Alright? Now, what are the consequences now of humans' action? Right? So, well, basically, these pollutants are there in the atmosphere because of us. But then, we cannot avoid it. Alright? So, let us know what will be the consequences of our action in the long run, especially. What is the first one? Global warming. Alright, global warming. What is global warming, Mr. Kim?
Global warming is the increase of temperature of the Earth's surface.
Alright, very good. So Earth, like an ice cream, alright, several years ago, okay, Earth was still very cool and suitable for even sunbathing for a long time, alright. Now this is what is happening today, alright. If we don't take an action, then this is what we're going to do. We are going to face in the future, alright. Basically, with the word warm, alright, this world is becoming warmer than it used to be. Especially our statue being, we can see, Alright, it's basically being destroyed by the acid rain. Same thing with that forest. Alright, and not only that, okay, since rain can be, there is rain all over the world, alright, though some parts of it receive little rain, but still, if we are affected by acid rain, it's not only these things, but also aquatic animals and even us humans, alright? So, according to this, rain is naturally acidic. Why is rain naturally acidic? What is present in the rain? Or what is being dissolved in the rain that makes it naturally acidic? But not harmful.
Inside rain is really carbon dioxide is dissolved in the rain, so it's slightly acidic.
Alright, here again. Carbon dioxide is being dissolved in the rain. That makes it slightly, a little bit acidic, which is normal. But then if pollutants like sulfur dioxide and also nitrogen oxide are mixed with rain, then it becomes acid. Not all UV rays are harmful, but some are, alright? So these ozone layers filter the harmful UV rays. And so therefore, we can easily protect it from harmful rays of the sun. But then because of chlorofluorocarbons or CFC gases present in refrigerator, air conditioners, alright? Now, and aerosols, okay? Now these CFC gases, it can escape into the atmosphere, and when it is mixed with ozone, ozone is destroyed, alright? So if there will be the hole, then ozone, can it still do its job? Can ozone still do its job if there is already a hole in it? Definitely not. Not as light as before. Here again. This is the reason why, unlike before, people could stay under the heat of the sun for a long time, but now cannot. Alright? It is because the ozone layer is becoming weaker, alright? And we don't know what will be the result of the humans' activities. I mean humans' daily activities today, alright? Like Paul said, it could cause sunburn or worse, skin cancer. Here again. Now, okay, this ends our topic, and in order for us to a bit revise the topic, we will be having a mini quiz game. Alright? I will be dividing the class into 2 groups, and you will be presented by 5 questions about the topic that we learned today. So please count 1 to 2. The time.
1.
Here again. All group 1, please go to this side. All group 2, to this side. Again. Okay, you will only be given 30 seconds to answer the questions, alright? Please help each other to answer the questions. Let's begin. First question. Okay, what is present in the rain that makes it slightly acidic? Time starts now. Alright? You may now raise the boards. Yes? Alright, both of you got it correct. That is carbon dioxide. Okay? Let us move on to the next question. How do we call the harmful substances being released in the atmosphere? Okay, group 1's answer is atmospheric pollution. Group 2 is pollutant. Let's see what is the correct answer. Alright, it's pollutant. Okay? So, 2 points for group 2 and 1 point for group 1. Let's move on to the third question. Okay, true or false? CFC gases reduce the amount of gas in the ozone layer, so more UV radiation reaches the Earth. Alright, you may raise your voice. Whoa, true. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's true. 3 points for group 2, 2 points for group 1. Alright, next question. Give 2 effects of pollutants to human health. Group 1 says eye irritation, headaches. Group 2 says headaches, eye irritation. Alright, well, any of the 4. Okay, that means both of you got it correct. Okay, 4 points for group 2, 3 points for group 1. Let's have the last question. What does CFC stands for? Alright. I'll count 1 to 5. You'll have to raise your boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raise it now. Group 1. Fluorofluorocarbon. Alright. The correct answer is group 1. You missed one over there. Alright. So anyway, it's a tie. Okay? Good job. Clap your hands. Good job. So for the next topic, this is the spelling. So group 2 missed one letter. Alright. So the next topic would be what is the greenhouse effect? Please read it. That can be found on page 93. Alright. Do you have any more questions?